All right, in problem 12, we are given that we have angle 1 congruent to angle 3, and line M is parallel to line N. And our goal is that we are to prove that angle 1 and angle 4 are supplementary. Okay, so let's start with the statements here. We're given angle 1 is congruent to angle 3, and that was part of our given information. Now, as soon as we are told that they are congruent, then we know that what that means is that the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 2, and that is our definition of congruency. Now, our other piece of given information is that line M is parallel to line N, and that is given. So let's look at what we have over here. We are given that line M is parallel to line N, so I'm going to mark those off. And then we are told that the measure of angle 1 is congruent to the measure of angle 3. So I'm going to mark those off. Okay. Now I'm going to look at the next thing that it's told to me. What's told to me next is that the measure of, angle 3 and angle 4 are supplementary. So if I look, angle 4 and angle 3 are located there. And if I look at where those are located, hopefully I see that what I have there are consecutive interior angles. And we should know that because we have parallel lines, that implies that those are supplementary. So our reason here is going to be that parallel lines imply that corresponding interior angles are supplementary. Okay. We're then going to look at the next line here, and it uses that supplementary to tell us that the measures of angle 3 and angle 4 is equal to 180. And that's us using that definition of supplementary, that the measures of those angles equal 180. Now, if we take a look at what we have here, if we look at what is next here, if we can see that we were told that, trying to pick my highlighter color here, that the measure of angle 1 and is equal to the measure of angle 3, and you could see that here we have an angle 3, and so we can put in an angle 1 there, and then that would be substitution. And if we look now, and we can see that by angle 1 and angle 4, if we know that the measures of those two things are equal to 180, that is our definition of supplementary. And now we are able to say that those two angles, angle 1 and angle 4, are supplementary because up there we were able to get, by substitution, replacing the angle 3 with the angle 1, that the measures there were equal to 180, and that's our definition of supplementary.